All right, welcome back to My Classic Fords. I'm Gordon Best. I know I promised you a video of the Jag, but that is coming. I did do some filming on it. I have worked on it a little bit, so we will post that very soon. But I just acquired a little project. That's just the last thing I need, I know, but when this stuff comes up, you have to kind of jump on it, which I did. What we're looking at right here is a Model A engine and transmission. Apparently this engine was rebuilt, and apparently it's a good running engine. You see the little stand that it's sitting on. So here we are in the middle of the night. I just got home and I'm gonna put that in my garage, but I'll show you some of the other stuff that I got. So I got enough here, I think, to build almost a whole car. There's a frame laying there. Not too keen on using it, it's pretty rough. The rear end and the drive shafts in it, it's in excellent shape. Same as the front end, it's in excellent shape. So I'm thinking maybe we'd build a custom frame. I think that would be pretty cool. And I'll show you here. Don't pay attention to the mess. I just kind of tossed everything in here for now. So the guy had some extra brake drums. One of the best things he had 4 brand new tires. They've never been on the road. They're on really nice wheels. The wheels aren't pitted or anything. So we got 4 wheels and tires for it. And in these boxes here, this is some of the stuff. I'm not going to go through it tonight. I just want to show you what it is. We got the original headlights in here. You know, those are pretty sweet looking. And there's a brand new grill surround. It's a repop, but it is new nonetheless. So that's pretty cool. And some of the other stuff, there's various things in this box. I haven't even gone through it. There's, you know, some knickknacks, wiring, coils, whatever else is in there. There's a couple little parts of the body. I mean, we got all the trinkets in here. There's whole fender brackets. I've noticed a lot of this stuff, you know, is aftermarket, but that's fine for what I just acquired here. I think this is pretty cool. Like I said, there's boxes and boxes of parts. I'm not going to go through them all, but here's the brake rods laying on the floor, and there's some steering columns. There's the rear bumper. There's a spare wheel. What else? There's a front bumper hiding in here. It's definitely not the best of shape, but, you know, there's enough stuff here to have fun with. Yeah, okay, so I'm not even going to pretend like I know how any of this goes together. I've got a good idea, just like everybody else, but I've never done it before. What I immediately have in my mind is I have enough stuff here to make a rolling chassis. I got a running engine. I think it'd be kind of cool just to make a rolling chassis that I can sit on and drive around my yard. I think that'd be kind of cool. So this winter, maybe I'll try a crack at building my own frame, build my own cross members and stuff like that, and who knows, maybe we'll do that. I'll give you a quick tour of the Jag, just because. All right, so you can see the Jag is still sitting here. You can also see we've been quite busy building other things. I just want to show you what I've been up to. I did do some filming on this, so my video is going to overlap a little bit, but I just figured I want to get you guys something here so you can see, you know, I haven't give up. I've just been super busy. So down here, the mount's been put in. The battery tray is just sitting there right now, but it's kind of mocked up a little bit. Over here, this has been kind of doctored up some, has been trimmed. This has been all plated in now. So the mount on this side is done. I'm going to show you in the next video how I'm going to finish the frame in this side. Once that's done, then you know, we'll move on. Probably do this side here. What the immediate goal is for this thing, that side's got to be done. We're going to come over and do this side. And then we're going to run a tube chassis back through the sills. So we're going to knock the sills off, run a tube chassis back, tie it into the car, and get that front end put back underneath and make this thing a roller again. Anyway, guys, just bear with me. Like I said, I've been extremely busy. We've been doing lots of steel fabrication here. We got a big table in the way here, and things have been pretty crazy right now, but yeah, stick around and we'll get at this car, and we got that Model A coming, so there'll be lots of stuff. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching.